Hi everyone, for the past few hours I've been reading a lot of comments and posts and it came across something like BJP जीतेगी तो सब खत्म हो जाएगा, Bengal will be destroyed, and other question that why I'm supporting a change in leadership. So I'm making this video not to argue with anyone, just a ground level reality check. Okay. And I don't owe my soul to anyone, I just owe my loyalty to the state. So coming to the point, one of the biggest comment I got was what you had for 15 years will be destroyed in 5. Let's look at the facts. For the 15 years, we have seen the same system. If a student stays in the same grade for 15 years and doesn't improve, don't we ask for a change? We ask, right? People mentioning about other states like UP and Bihar to scare us. But let me be very honest, where we stand right now. Where, according to the NARI 2025 index, Kolkata, our pride, was ranked at the bottom for women's safety perception. Our physical health is listed under aspirational or stressed category by Niti Aayog, and we can't keep pointing fingers at a state where, well, our own house needs fixing, right? Now coming to the most disappointing comment, not a comment, it came from another woman, was does a mother of a victim have 1% knowledge about politics? This honestly hurts to read. Like, since when did politics become a private club for elites? If a mother who has lost everything stands up to demand justice, she isn't just a sympathy candidate. She is the ultimate reality check. If experienced politicians have done their job, a common woman would never have felt the need to enter the battlefield. We should not mock her. We should ask why the system failed her so badly that she had to step up herself. Now, as a citizen, I want 3 things. Safety, where a girl can walk home at 11 p.m. without her parents' heart sinking. Jobs so our brothers and sisters don't have to migrate to Bangalore or Delhi just to earn a basic living. Third is accountability, where the corruption isn't just a part of the system. If one party couldn't deliver that in 15 years, why is it wrong to give another party a simple chance? If the BJP fails, we will criticize them again. This is the power of a democracy. To those who are passing comments or posting, so let me be very clear, I care about Bengal just as much as you do. We just have different ideas of how to save it. I'm happy about the win because I'm hopeful for a change, not because I'm a blind follower. Let's stop fighting each other and start holding the new government accountable from day one. This is what a real citizen does. What do you think? Can we move past the levels and talk about development? Let me know in the comment, but keep it respectful. Let's show that Bengalis can disagree without being toxic. Bye-bye.